Hello everyone. Today's I read our second book. I mean part B. All of you know class 12 political science 2 book. Today's I read the second book, and book name is Politics in India Since Independence, and our first chapter is Challenge of Nation Building. In this chapter, the first few years in the life of independent India were full of challenge. Some of the most pressing ones concerned national unity and territorial integrity of India. We begin the story of politics in India since independence by looking at how three of these challenges of nation building were successfully negotiated in the first decade after 1947. Uh, so what happened this time? At the midnight on 14 to 15 August 1947, India attained independence, and the first few years of independence were full of challenge. For example, freedom came with partition, which resulted in large-scale violence and displacement, and challenged the very idea of a secular of India. The chapter contains the story of Indian politics since independence by looking at different kinds of challenge of nation building were negotiated successfully in this early phase after 1947. So, first topic is challenge for the new nation. At the hour this time the first at the hour of midnight of 14 to 15 August 1947, India attained independence. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first, all of you know, India's first prime minister is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru of Free India, addressed a special session of the Constituent Assembly that night. This was the famous speech, Traced with Dignity, speech that you are familiar with. So this was the moment all Indians had been waiting for. You have read in your history textbook that there were many voices in our national movement, but there were two goals almost everyone agreed upon. One, that after independence we shall run our country through democratic government, and two, that the government will be run for the good of all. So this was the movement all Indians had been waiting for, but this was not going to be easy. India was born in very difficult than that of India is in 1947. And next is three challenge. What is three challenge? Independent India faced the below three challenge. And for you look at this, DDU. DDU means D for development, D for democracy, and U for unity. Development. First topic is development. When first point is three challenge. First challenge is development. Independent India faced three kinds of challenge. The first and the immediate challenge was to save a nation that was united, yet accommodative of the diversity in our society. India was a land of continental size and diversity. Its people spoke different language and followed different culture and religion. At the time, it was widely believed that a country full of such kind of diversity could not remain together for long. So, and next, second is democracy. Second challenge is democracy. The second challenge was establish democracy. In democracy, you have already studied the Indian Constitution. You know that the Constitution granted fundamental rights and extended the right to vote to every citizen. So India adopted representative democracy based on the parliamentary form of government. These features ensured that the political competition would take place in a democratic framework. So a democratic constitution is necessary but not sufficient for establishing a democracy. The challenge was to develop democratic parties in accordance with the constitution. And next is U for unity. The third challenge was to ensure the development and well-being of the entire society and not only of some section. Here again the constitution clearly laid down the principle of equality and special protection to socially disadvantaged groups and religious and culture communities. The constitution also set out in the directive principle of state policy the welfare goals, the democratic politics. So the real challenge now was to involve effective policy for economic development and eradication of poverty. So how did independent India respond of this challenge? Because immediately after independence, there are many challenges of India needed a solution. That is a challenge to shape a nation as a united country, to develop democratic practice and to ensure development and well-being by involving effective policies for economic development and eradication of poverty and unemployment. Thank you.